The company, which is much better known to us for excellent portable power plants and solar panels, has recently thrown itself into the market of robust smartphones and tablets, such as the new Fossibot DT2. It is successor for the Fossibot DT1 tablet that we present earlier, and this new one also brings some new interesting features such as a generous 12GB of RAM, which you can expand by another 8GB of RAM, and it has a 256GB of expandable internal storage, upgradable up to 2TB with the memory cards. In other words, a lot of space for your data, and fast work will be ensured by a MediaTek 8-core Helio G99 processor, which is both powerful and energy saving. Speaking of energy, you won't have any problems with this tablet because it boasts a large battery of up to 22,000 mAh that supports 66-watt charging and will charge from 0 to 100% in 2 hours and 50 minutes. Otherwise, it can last 2.5 months or about 75 days on standby, so this is a tablet you can count on very seriously. Fossibot DT2 boasts a front camera of 32 megapixels with the Sony sensor. With the rear camera, it's up to 64 megapixels with the Samsung sensor with the associated very strong LED flashlight that can also be used as a night light. The screen has a diagonal of 10.4 inches and a IPS panel, 2K resolution, and the special attention has been paid to the sound, so that it has many of 4 speakers. The tablet runs on the Android 13 operating system and supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, dual SIM 4G LTE. It's resistant to water and dust, IP68, IP69K, and resistant to shocks, falls, scratches, and extremely high and low temperatures. Fossibot DT2 will be sold on the Fossibot official website and well as on AliExpress official webshop at the price of $299.99, but in the period from today to the 17th of December, the price will drop to $239.99. Official sales links are below this video. Be sure to check them out and get yourself a new DT2 tablet today. Also, don't forget Fossibot big giveaway and try your luck. This is all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye.